All right, guys, so you just watched a video about the history of candy canes and how they are made. And now we are going to practice a sequencing activity where we are going to put the steps that it takes to make these sweet treats in order. So let me put on my thinking cap and think about, what did the video say we need to do first? Let's look at our choices. Cook corn syrup and sugar together. Cool the candy down, take a photo of the candy cane. Well, I can't really do that until I've made it. Add peppermint flavoring. The candy becomes white, and the robot helps to package it. Well, I definitely know this is the last thing that happens. I remember it talking about that robot helps put them in the box. What do you think comes first? Did you say cook corn syrup? I think you're right. And I think after we cook, we probably need to add that peppermint flavoring next. All right, let's see what happens next. Cool candy down to 190 degrees. Candy becomes white, and take a photo. Which one do you think comes next? I think this one too. I think you're right. If you said cool candy down to 190, I think you are right. And then I think the candy becomes white, and then last but not least, they would take a photo of it to make sure it has that curve, right? And then then they would package it. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to listen to a book about the legend of a candy cane.